Back here at the cabin, and check this out. If you're in the market for an e-bike that can fit in tiny places, this is my e-bike that I just got. And as you see here, it is in the kitchen area, so nice and compact. We're going to whip this bad boy out, and we're going to go for a ride. Super. Here we are. Got the old Windone, working with them. And this is the Windone S16. They sent me out this bike because they know that I'm in a compact space, and it is just absolutely awesome. Folds together, snaps together right quickly, just as you see here. And where you've seen that I just take it out of, it was the kitchen area. So super simple to get it packed away. Has a clip over here that we just push together, just like so, and then snaps it in place just like that. And boom, the bike is built and ready to go. Here it is here. Here's the clip that I was talking about. Folds there. Super handy. Pop that down just like so. And then, well, I'm not going to do it, but that just pops out like so. And clips the same way. Same with the handlebars. There's a clip right there. That red piece you just pop up, and then it pushes down. And then the handlebars fold down. LCD display. Great. Seat, pop that off here. And we'll get the battery into it. There we go. Here's the old battery, and then that slides in just on the back like so. And we're gonna get this puppy, oh, I missed it, there we go, just easy peasy, boom, just like that. There we go. We'll pop the seat back on, and we're gonna go for a ride, and we're gonna check this puppy out, give it the old test drive. There we go. So like I say, this is the Windone S16. And it's great for me because, you know, it's great for small spaces. If you live in an apartment or, you know, tiny house like I do, pack it up and go. And easy to transport as well. So now that the bike's all put together, good to go. Beautiful day as you see here. The sun is shining back here at the cabin finally. Had some rain, some snow. It's just been a nasty spring coming in. So we're going to get this bad boy out, and I want to take it down to the ocean. There's a trail that goes along beside where the tide comes in. And we'll just go check it out. I want to see how it operates, check out the top speed, and things like that. So it's a fat tire e-bike, so we should be good to go in on-road and off-road. Look out, chickens. Coming out with a bike. No, you can't. Don't come in. Chickens are coming in. No, ladies. You can't come in. Excuse me. Let out. Let out, dears. Excuse me. Let go. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to come over onto this side. Turn the key. We'll get her on. Boom. On. Turn this on over here. Button over here. Screen is on. This is the pedal assist right here, and then it has a twist throttle right there as well. So let's get this on the go here. I'm excited to give her a try. As you see, the chickens are out as well. But we're not going to watch them right now. We're not going to watch them right now. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, what a gorgeous day it is out here. My, oh my. So we got her on first pedal assist right now, and we're going about 13 kilometers an hour. Right down there, 13. So let's jump her up. We'll go to the second. 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. We'll jump her up there to the 3. 24, 25. Better switch on the right side of the road. Beautiful day out. Pedal assist 4. 28, 29, and we'll go one more. All right, so this is it. Beautiful. 37, 38, 39, almost 40. Oh, there we go, 40. Woo! So we're at 40. Yeah, baby. Oh, what an absolutely gorgeous day. Sun is shining. It's supposed to be right around, I don't know, plus 10, plus 12. Blue skies. And the bike's working great. We're popping along at a steady almost 20 kilometers an hour. And the pedal assist number 2. coming down on here. We're going to take a trail, test out the fat tires of it, and we're going to go along the trail along where the bay of Fundy comes in. So I might see some animals. There was 2 ducks in the pond the other day, which was pretty cool. 19.6 on pedal assist 2. Not bad at all. Beautiful. So we're off-road right now. Fat tires, I mean, it's nothing crazy. Beautiful right there. Oh, what a gorgeous day. Calm, calm, calm. So there we are. Fat tires work great. Headlight. Got 7 speeds. Battery. Got the old tail light on it. I was using the twist throttle there for a little bit, working great. And yeah, so I am so far happy with it. We're going to take it up. There's a trail that goes along here and along here. So we'll see where that leads, and we'll go check out some more stuff. Has disc brakes on the front and on the back there. So let's get on with the adventure. All right, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Use the old twist throttle. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, hard to do with one hand. Oh my, yeah. Ooh, she's got some jam to her. So let's see. Twist throttle up to 25 already. We're not going to go too crazy on the trail, but yeah, it works great. Oh yeah, we're bumpy here, so we're going to slow down. I can't video through this with one hand. She can wheelie. Oh, I pulled up on it a little hard there using the old twist throttle. It got a little bit of power. Came through a wheelie too hard and spit me out on the arse end of her. So give that a go again. Maybe I can get the wheelie down on her with the twist throttle. That'd be pretty cool. Pretty good though. I'm pretty impressed with it. Still has a full battery. Been out here bombing around, you know. 20 minutes or so. Met a couple people on the side-by-side, guy walking his dog, but been just hammering down on the twist throttle, and same with the pedal assist, and we still got, what's that, 5 out of 5 bars for the battery, so I'm going to do another lap around and find out some more trails and see where we're leading to next. Just gorgeous. This is one of the inlets where the tide comes in and fills it up from the Bay of Fundy. Absolutely beautiful. Just getting back to the cabin now. You see it in the background, but I tell you what, I am pleasantly surprised with how well that bike's working. It's just dropped down a battery now, and I've just been out cruising for, I don't know, 20-30 minutes or so. On-road, off-road, has a top speed at almost 41 kilometers an hour on the pavement in pedal assist number 5, and I was going through some pretty bumpy off-road trails, and it was great. It has the front shocks, doesn't have any rear, so it's a little bit rough, but not too bad, and it's awesome. Definitely pleasantly surprised, and it's even better because of the fact that it folds up, so it barely takes up any space into the old tiny cabin. And I'm just looking at it now, and we got a little bit of mud on it. Got a little bit of mud on the old girl after that. Couldn't help but going through some areas that had some mud. Nothing crazy where water is going to get in the motor, so that's good. But yeah, definitely awesome, and it was a fun ride. So like I say, working with Windone, this is the Windone S16, perfect for the tiny cabin here. Absolutely awesome. I'll put all of their information in the description. Go check them out. Their stuff is on their website there. They shipped it out really fast to me. It got here in a couple days, and after that ride today, I am just highly impressed and happy with the bike. They have other products, but this one was the best suited for me just because it can fold up. Super easy to pack here into the cabin, and don't need a truck or anything. Can fit it in the back of your trunk in your car, SUV, or whatever you might have when it's folded down. So it's great for those tiny spaces, tiny apartments, tiny vehicles, and works great back here at the tiny cabin. So thank you, Windone.